Hello everyone, this is Vinay here from Learn Coding with Vinay, and this will be the video number 4 of our series where we are building library management system using ASP.NET Core MVC, Entity Framework Core, Database First Approach, and ChatGPT extensively. Right. So in previous video, I said that we will be looking into the home screen in next video, but I realized that there are still some thing related to UI are pending. So we'll cover those UI stuff over here, and then we will move to the next module. Right. So I just wanted to highlight, a few things that I did in the background to save time, because that's those are quite easy piece. So first thing, I added the logo. Took this logo from internet and put it down. So where did I put down? So I just put down into the anchor tag of navbar, and I just beside it, earlier it was LMS over here. I just made it library management, and over here I kept the image, and image is kept, book logo is kept at the www root. Let me show you www root images, and over here this one is we are using, right? Next thing I did was, I moved out the search text box from navbar to the, below the navbar. So navbar will be always be there, but at the same time, this search box will be always there on every screen. So what did I do? Earlier this form was part of this UL. So if you, again, let me, you know take this into the UL. Let me just do this. Earlier it was here, right? Control S. Let's say it loads up, and okay, so it loads up. It was a smaller one, but I just wanted to show you how it looked earlier, right? So it was here, I just made it over here, right? Because this was not going well, because our menu was growing and we are still missing some menu items to be added, that we'll add in this video, right? So what I'll do, I'll remove this again, and I just took it out of the menu bar and kept it just below the menu bar, right? So let's see, now this looks good, right? And let me also show you that it is responsive as well. On a smaller screen also it is working great, right? So this is small screen. So this is how the search box will remain on top of the screen, on every screen, right? Let me go to a bigger screen, let's say surface. Then in the bigger screen it will look like this. Let me move to some more bigger screen. Do you have ipad Air? Okay, no, so this is good. Let me go to iPad mini, will always be a small screen only. So let's move to some other Galaxy. Okay, so these are all good. This looks all good, right? On a smaller screen also. Let me go to the smallest screen, iPhone SE, right? And this looks good over here as well, right? Now, so this is, so logo is done. Moved out search functionality just below the menu bar, right? So it will be there everywhere. And now let's add few menus that we missed. So we need to have login and register over here. So let's add that. So I'll just take this reservation, and after this I'll add two as of now. We'll change it later on. Login, and this is register, right? Login and register. So let me go over here and let's see. So login and register, they look good. Now one more thing, we might need to use icon at a lot of places, right? So let's go ahead and configure icons, bootstrap icons in our website. So I'll go to bootstrap website where we have icon. There we need to go on install. If we go on install, it will give us that add this URL into the head section. So we need to go to our layout.cshtml page, and in the head section over here at the end we need to specify this icon, right? And we already have one button in our application, search. So let's, just before this, let's try to add search icon over here. So if I go here, if I go on icons, I would say, I think it is binocular or something. No, not binocular. I think magnifying glasses. It is. Yeah, this one. So I'll take this. I'll open this. and I'll copy these. So every button we will have some or the other icon added. So this time we'll also try to take care of consistent UI and using icons also. So let me, where was it? Yeah, it was below this, right? So just before the search button we will have to add this icon, right? So let's see how does it look now. Okay, so it is, we might have to use a space a little bit. Yeah, okay, so this looks good, right? Search, right? So now we are done with almost our UI element. However, we will updating UI elements based on the requirement, right? But you know now we are ready to go ahead and configure the project using database first approach, right? So in the next video we will go over how to configure project for database first approach and how to generate all entities and db context class using just one command, that we will see it in next video. Thanks a lot guys for watching this video. See you in the next video.